Hey guys, welcome back to Cupcake Rain, and today I'm going to show you how to make these lights in a jar. All you need is some lights, a jar, any jar. I got these two jars from Kmart at a reasonable price, and these lights from Kmart too. You can get it from any store that has like lights and furniture. The first thing you need is to get your jar out like this and scrunch all of your lights into a little nest, bird's nest, and then you put it in. Make sure you don't break the wire from it. So you put it all in and you leave the battery little case thing out of it, so then you can turn it on and off. So after you can get your lid, or if you're doing a one like this, get some blue tack and stick it to this. So then you get your lid, put it on, and then you just make sure that it won't slip and make sure it's on the ground, and then turn it on. Whoa, that's really good. It looks like little cool lights. Sorry if the lighting's a bit too bright. So if you make this one, look. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to comment down below and hit that subscribe button. I hope you enjoy. Bye!
That smells delicious.